Good day, everyone. It has been a little while since I've done a long form video, but let me show you what I'm doing. I am in this 2-bedroom apartment. It's one half of a duplex, and we are fixing all this. We're actually, myself and my wife and my son are actually going to be living in this place when it's finished, and I'm doing the repairs in exchange for first month's rent and the damage deposit, and they're supplying all the materials. All I gotta do is the labor, and they are coming to fix a few things like this. Underneath those that tile there's a piece of the floor missing. There's a hole going right down into the basement, and this wall here is coming out to open up the space, because if you come through the kitchen here, it's where the washer and dryer is. So to open up the space, they're taking that wall out. It's got a pantry, nothing fancy, but they're still in the middle of cleaning junk out of here. The old tenants left. Let's take a walk upstairs and I'll show you what's going on. Oh, well, first of all, I'll show you the bathroom. It's not much, but it will work. And as you can see, a lot of stuff left here from the tenants that were here before us. They just left a mess. Let's go up the stairs. Not a big fan of all this carpet, but it is what it is. We got some cracks in the corners. You can tell the tenants tried to do some painting on their own. A lot of junk still left here. Broken window, gonna have to be fixed. And something I forgot to show you down there, all this stuff is gonna be pulled out of the ceiling here. Now this T-bar ceiling, I'm not even sure how I'm gonna go about painting that. I don't think I'm gonna be able to be honest. But there's 3 closets in here, more carpet. There's a lot of mudding to do in this place in order to get it up to par. All the doors and trim need to be painted, the walls need to be painted. Fun stuff. And oops, that there needs to be fixed as well. So yeah, the outside of the refrigerator is rust. I checked, that's rust, it's not dirt. Hopefully, I don't know, I'm gonna see if I can convince them to replace it, but they probably won't. And I already showed you a little bit of the kitchen. We also got out here, there's my beautiful truck right there. They're coming in a couple months to do some landscaping, to remove all these rocks and level all this ground out. They're removing that piece of wooden fence, and that'll open up the backyard there. We're going to put in some raised beds and build a greenhouse probably. And yeah, that's it. I'll keep you updated on the progress, but so far, here I am, and that's what we're working with. A couple more things that I would like done. These lights that somebody previously got paint all over, they look hideous, and I'm hoping that I can convince them just to remove them, and I'll patch over the holes or something. We need some transitions put in for the kitchen floor and the bathroom floor. Meet the main floor here. And I want, all this crap that I assume was put on by the other tenants. I don't know, maybe the landlord. I'm hoping they'll let me just remove it and fix the wall, because it looks atrocious. I'd rather just get rid of it, fix the wall and paint it. Same with in here. I would like to remove this altogether, and I'm hoping that they'll let me do it, and I'm hoping they'll let me remove that thing out of there. They can store it if they want, throw it away. I don't care. There's no working fireplace. I look behind it because it's falling off. It's just a wall behind there. So it's useless. And over here, they're apparently going to seal off this front door, whatever they mean by seal off. I don't know if they're taking it out and finishing a wall in there or what their plans are, but I'm thinking I might turn this into a little catio area for our cats because we have cats. And that's that. So they were just here. They're gonna put some transition strips in here. They're gonna fix this hole up. Doesn't that be pretty? They're gonna replace those lights. This door is not being sealed off apparently because by law and for fire code, you do have to have an alternate exit, so plans already changed for this area. That junk in the corner is gone. And they're gonna fix the broken window upstairs. And they're gonna frame this out. I'll just put some drywall in there myself when I'm doing the rest of the work and let it out, finish it. And still no word on what's happening with the fridge, but I would imagine it's staying and we'll just have to deal with it. And I am going to be removing all this shit. Sorry. I am going to be removing all this stuff. This fake brick stuff that wasn't properly installed. It looks like hell. And I still need to be able to get in there to work. So hopefully this wall's still coming out. And that's it. There's a guy on his way here right now to clean out the rest of the junk, anything that's not staying. And then I just gotta give the walls a really good cleaning and do some sweeping and stuff, and get this place ready that I can start working in it. As far as the outdoors goes, like I said, we're looking at probably another 6 weeks before they even start doing any landscaping out there. So hopefully they're on time and we can at least get our raised beds in this year before it gets too late to grow anything.